Hey everyone, this is Matt with Get Fit Fort Mill, and I'm with Dr. Ann Meyer of the Holistic Wellness Center of the Carolinas. We got a few people probably jumping on in a few minutes. Between now and then, make sure you like this, share this post with anyone you think this could benefit. Make sure you listen to the end because we'll show you a chance where you can meet them in person, get a chance for a $20 gift card to Clean Eats Fort Mill, and be able to book a consultation. So we can go ahead and get started. So, Dr. Meyer, you're a medical doctor. How did you get into holistic medicine?
Well, I was always interested in prevention, and there's not really a lot of room for teaching in conventional medicine. You know, as doctors got busier and busier, they sold their practices to hospitals, and it became big business. You know, and it was more about volume. Get them in, get them out, see more and more and more. I really had felt like I was burned out. I had worked for 30 years. I was in the clinic, and I just couldn't do it anymore. People were sicker and sicker. They were on more and more medicines. They weren't happy. I wasn't happy. I thought, well, maybe it's time to go back to waitressing or something, but I wasn't that good at that either. So I found functional medicine where people actually got better, and I could spend time helping them and teaching them because they're ultimately in charge of their own health, not the doctor.
Yeah, and I think the U.S. is the most medicated country in the world, yet we're probably the most unhealthiest country in the world.
50th in health.
So I think a lot of that comes not only to inactivity, but also the food and what we put in our bodies.
Absolutely,
So can you kind of go into why is it more important to eat real food, and by real food we mean not so much processed food, the outer ring of the grocery store rather than stuff on the inside.
Well, and we are the only country that allows genetically modified food. And now they don't even have to tell us they're doing it, which is just amazing to me. But food, when it has been genetically modified or hybridized or whatever they're doing to it, it enters your body, and your body doesn't see it as food. It sees it as foreign, possibly a pathogen, and it can attack other parts of your body because of it. You don't absorb it as well. There are extra chemicals that your body doesn't know what to do with it. Then you add the pesticides and the coatings and the other things they do to make things pretty. Your body has to fight all of these things off. And then you've got all the environmental toxins on top of it, as well as our beauty products and shampoos, etc.
So if someone, went on a way of eating healthier and stuff like that, how long would you say it would take them to get that stuff out of their body?
Well, it kind of depends, but usually we see. That's the other nice thing about integrative medicine. We see changes quickly. In conventional medicine, you can do the same thing for years and years and years and not see improvements. We see, I know myself, because of my Hashimoto's, when I went gluten-free, I was like, in America, are you kidding? I did it for 2 weeks, and I had energy I didn't have when I was a teenager. So we see changes immediately. When you start giving your body what it needs, everything kind of gets back into balance.
Definitely. So, people come to Clean Eats because they're not feeling well, they're wanting to make a change, and they know one of the easiest things to do is change your eating habits. They know if they eat better, they'll start to feel better, but they still have a ways to go. So what type of people do you guys work with here at the Holistic Wellness?
We see everybody from people who are doing well and just want to be superb, to the people who have been everywhere. We see a lot of people who've been to lots of doctors who tell them their numbers are normal. But they're like, well, why do I feel like garbage? So we work more with why is something off as opposed to what's the name of the disease and what's the pill that'll fix it.
Okay, perfect. It actually is a more simple, because I just got diagnosed with Hashimoto's. So I went to your conventional doctor, and they were like, well, you're hypothyroidism, so take this medicine. So then I went to go see a functional doctor. I'm like, well, let's run more blood work to see how your thyroid's actually working.
Right.
My thyroid levels were good.
So he's like,
he's like, you don't need to be taking synthetic T4 when your T4 is working how it's supposed to be. So I feel like a functional doctor like you guys, you look for more of what's causing the issue than the symptoms.
Right. We don't look at what's wrong with you. We look at why. And why now. And what pathway back here can we tweak to put things back in balance?
And it could be something that you're not even thinking about. and
Exactly.
that's what.
Sometimes it's infections or food allergies or things that they don't even look at.
So, if someone's listening to here and they want to start being proactive with their healthy habits, what are some easy things and some stuff that people can start doing now to integrate into their lives?
Well, I think diet is always the first step. Food is medicine, and
Yeah.
the cleaner that is, the better your body's going to take it and assimilate it. The exercise is important, but some people exercise too much, and if you're inflamed, you don't want to be beating a dead horse.
Yeah.
The biggest thing that I think conventional medicine misses is the spiritual mind connection. We shove food down.
Yeah.
We don't. In the old days, people ate as a huge family, and it was an hour or two long, and it was happening.
Yeah.
And now we're just shoving food down so we can get more accomplished.
Or you're bored. Like I find myself eating.
You're happy or sad. Or
I'm just snacking, watching TV. I'm like, I'm even hungry. Why am I eating this right now?
Exactly. And if you do everything else right and you don't manage stress, your mind will make your body sick. So we do a lot with mindfulness and spirituality.
Awesome. So just so we've kind of hit on some big things, but if people just jumped on now, or if people are just looking for a quick run through, how is functional medicine different from conventional medicine?
Functional medicine looks at who the person is and why are things out of balance, and tries to assist the body into getting back into balance, because the body is such a complicated system. In conventional medicine, you're treating symptoms, and they forget that when you treat this, other things also change. So we support the body that is pretty smart all in itself. So we are looking to support you and get your body back into balance. We take people off of pharmaceuticals. We do more with food, with supplements, to kind of boost the innate system that really knows what it needs.
Definitely. So you guys will be speaking at Clean Eats this Wednesday at 6 p.m. You'll be going over hormones and health. Can you kind of give people what they can expect with that talk?
Well, we will talk a little bit about how all the systems work together. Your body kind of is a symphony, and if the oboes are out of whack, the whole thing sounds terrible. So that each system, instead of just looking at thyroid or just looking at your adrenals, how all of the imbalances can create feelings of illness, and how we work to try to put everything back in together. And we work on all different systems at the same time: detox and exercise and nutrition and mindfulness, to try to get everything back in balance. So we'll talk more about how we accomplish that here and how you can set up an appointment to be evaluated.
So you'll be able to schedule a consult with them. You'll also be able to get a $20 gift card to Clean Eats. I'm about to post the link here. So if you go through this link, you'll be able to RSVP for the event, and you'll be able to get your $20 gift card to Clean Eats. You'll be able to get that at the end of the talk. It'll be a short talk, but it will be very impactful and give you a lot of information. And like Dr. Meyer said, you'll be able to book an appointment to come check them out and see what they're more about. Thank you for your time.
Thanks so much. It was a pleasure.
And if you guys would like to call the office to set up a time too, the office line is 803-547-4922. You can also email them at theholisticcharlotte.com. Check out their website, check them out. They're great for the Fort Mill community, and we're glad to be working with them. If you're just jumping on now, don't forget to like this post, share this with your friends, and we'll see everyone later. Have a great day.